Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin. Are we ready for this new all-time high? I'm going to give you a short-term price prediction as well as after the election prediction for Bitcoin. So stay with me until the end. I'm going to reveal to you so many things. Guys, BTC right now looks amazing, looks on the cusp of a breakout. Some people said already we already broken out, but what I will say to you is the following. We still into this resistance over here. As you can see from here, guys, on the longer time frame, we can see that we pretty much went down to here, retested this line over here down to $64,000, had a beautiful pump to the upside, and what we want to see in the next week or so is to close this candle over here above here, and the target is going to really blow your mind. But of course, I don't think it's going to go into a straight line from here. We're going to see, for example, $90,000, $100,000, and every time Bitcoin and crypto, you can see that it goes up and down. You can have crazy fluctuation, which is the nature of crypto. That's why, guys, we founded our VIP group, our Discord group, guys, and you can see our members making crazy results. Look at the members over here, guys. Full transparency. We make money every single day. So if you want to really join a community of like-minded individuals, if you want a Bitcoin really in-depth analysis every single day to make money, if you want altcoin analysis every single day to make crazy gains like we do, if you want calls from me with stop losses, entry points, take profits, and all of that from myself and also from other pro members, and if you want as well a long-term analysis for the altcoins which could explode 50x, 100x, and know which one to invest in, guys, you need to come to the VIP group, link in the bio. If you also want to go on my website, over here, you can see we have a little trailer, and also we have trading results for the past 7 months with full transparency to show you that we are one of the best communities around the web right now. But now, guys, let's cut the chase and go back into Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what's happening right now. So from here, there are a few things which are making me very, very bullish, and I'm going to really highlight all of them for you. Number one is the fact that we are breaking now this important structure over here, this broadening wedge, which has been here for a long time. And if I can calculate how high it's going to go up to here, is going to be by using our Fibonacci extension going from this point over here, which the 1.618 extension is bringing me to $90,000. And then again, if I connect these 2 points over here and bring them around this area over here, it's telling me that around the end of December, we should be seeing BTC to reach this area over here at around 90K. What I could be seeing from this point over here, of course, if you're going to be able to sustain this movement, if you're not going to break down, again, is going to be a pump up to 90K by December, around December, January 2024, then another potential pullback down to here, and then a final blow off top up to here. But right now, I want to concentrate only on this movement over here. So everything looks good. Second thing that really makes me very bullish is the fact that the RSI, traditional RSI from here, went and down, touched down the 50 area, which in general, whenever you see the touch of the 50 area, is like a pause, a stop from a previous uptrend. So we had a crazy pump up to here. We had a dump to the 50s, a retouch, so recharge the batteries, and then another pump, hopefully another pump going up and potentially touching another overbought area, thus forming what we call a bearish divergence. A bearish divergence is pretty much when you see the price going higher from here to here on Bitcoin, and you can see the RSI pointing downwards. In general, this constitutes a bearish scenario, like a possibility of a retracement. But right now, I can't really see any bearish divergence as for now. I would like to see when this is going to happen. It's going to be very, very good. Another thing, guys, the stochastic RSI, very similar as well. We are only down to here, so a movement up to this area is going to bring us back, around this area over here, thus forming again another bearish divergence, but that is going to be incredibly bullish, and we could be seeing more upside to come. Another thing, guys, MACD. If we're going to go on the MACD moving average convergence divergence, I'm going to go and show you what's happening right now. So on the 2 weeks, you can see we had a bearish crossover from here, but I wouldn't be surprised if you're going to be able to do again another cross around this area and again forming a divergence from here. That could be definitely be on the cards, but what makes me very bullish right now is also on the weekly, guys. The weekly has finally formed a crossover from here. You can see there is lots of volume coming in. volume is picking up. You can see that we haven't had this since a long time ago. Is this going to be just a fake out? Could be. I'm not saying like that I have the holy grail and everything, but looking at the chart from here, it looks really similar to what happened over here. You can see that we had a consolidation, then we had a pump up to here, and what we could be see could be another crossover, another pump up to here, 90k, and then of course a correction down to here. Another thing making me very bullish again is the Bitcoin dominance, BTC point D, guys. Very important. You can see right now that we are going up, going higher with the Bitcoin dominance, and what it means that the investors are putting money into Bitcoin and taking them away from altcoins. Altcoins are not performing well, are doing very shit right at the moment, which is actually very good. And what we're going to see right now is going to be a continuation of Bitcoin up to the 61.8% retracement. So 61% Bitcoin dominance, which should be coming around the end of December 2024. And if that happens, of course, I could be seeing Bitcoin at 90k, altcoins ranging. But then once we're going to be able to break the structure over here and go down to maybe the 52% Bitcoin dominance, I could be seeing the mini alt season to start. So mini alt season with Bitcoin potentially going down to 70k again. Then a final blow off top of Bitcoin, 120,000 with altcoins again bleeding. And then a final altcoin season going down maybe around June, July 2025. But I would like to concentrate right now on one thing, is that I can see the Bitcoin dominance going up to here, finding a top around December, January. Then we're going to see Bitcoin dropping or even ranging, where altcoins are going to go absolutely crazy. But if you actually watch my previous videos, I was anticipating all of this in advance. Next thing, guys, very important, is the DXY dollar currency index. You can see that as well. I was actually saying for a long time that we could have seen an ABC correction for the DXY, and you can see that right now we have formed what we call the A correction. Now we're doing a B correction, and then we're going to be seeing very soon a C type correction going down to 97 to 96. This, guys, is the strength of the US dollar compared to many other currencies, such as the euro, the GBP pound, and also the Japanese yen. And you can see right now from here, guys, it will make absolutely sense to go down to this way. And why this is going to happen? Because the Fed is going to cut potentially 25 to 50 basis points. Whenever the Fed is going to cut interest rates, you're going to see, of course, the loss of the strength of the US dollar, and therefore continuation down to here, which is going to be very bullish for crypto and stocks. Another thing, guys, very important, the US 10Y, US 10 years treasury yield. This is pretty much represents the government bonds. Whenever you invest your cash, your money with the bonds from the government, and in exchange of your cash, they're going to give you a 4.2% every year fixed income, which is very good for rich investors that can make money. But on the other hand, you can see that right now, this 10-year yield has formed what we call a head and shoulder. Head and shoulder is a pattern that is in general bearish. And what can happen? You can see a breakout structure, a retracement, retest up to this area over here, and then a continuation to the downside. So if this is a true head and shoulder, what we could be seeing from here is going to be, again, very similar to DXY, a potential rejection around here, especially if the Fed is going to cut interest rates and if Donald Trump is going to win the election against Kamala Harris. And again, if this is going to go down, guys, from here is going to be super bullish for crypto. And the last thing, guys, very important, S&P 500. S&P, you can see that right now, we are ranging from here. You can see as well, S&P could be topping around this area over here. Could be seeing maybe another really strong impulse to the upside to continue to go higher. And I would say that, in my opinion, before seeing a significant pullback, we could be seeing DXY going up as high as $6,300 by, again, the 7th of January 2025, which will make absolutely sense. And then after this, proper correction, and then a final blow off top up to 6,500 to even 7,000. But again, that's another discussion I want to have. But right now, guys, everything looks very good. I also want to finish today as well by showing you a little bit of a bearish case, a bearish scenario, because as I said before, we are still not confirmed the breakout from here. And what we could be seeing could be a rejection down to this area, down to here. And if this is the case, guys, we could probably be going down around here and then have a final impulse to the upside. But overall, I would say that everything looks amazing, everything looks good, and if that happens, all of us are going to be making very, very good amount of money. But at the same time, guys, if you are interested in learning the way we trade, we think we make money, and of course, guys, results on our VIP group talk for themselves over here. What I would say, you can go on my website and you can watch a free webinar over here on how to make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, utilizing my strategy called the $1 million strategy, which includes macroeconomics, technical analysis, order flow, liquidity heat maps, everything coming together. Oversimplify for you that you don't have any knowledge in finance, that you want to get exposed to the cryptocurrency world and you want to do it properly. You can learn from me, guys. I just released a free video, 15 minutes, to show you how I was able to make in 2023 to transform 200K into $1.1 million. So if you want to do that, join our free masterclass, guys. You will not regret it. But otherwise, I really hope you're going to have a great day. Really hope, we're going to go and finally touch a new all-time high. Otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video.